Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Tucson key battery. This is a simple process that you can do at home with just a few basic items. Most Hyundai Tucson key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to help open the casing. Let's get started by preparing your workspace. First, press the release button on your key fob to slide out the emergency metal key. Next, look for a small notch or slot on the key fob's side or back. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this opening. Gently twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its holder, noting which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. This is important for correct installation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency metal key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Hyundai Tucson to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.